I found this blue AAA mini Maglite in my junk drawer and was underwhelmed when I turned it on to use it. I had had great results upgrading my AA mini Maglite to an LED, so watch along as I upgrade this mini Maglite in around 2 minutes to make it 10 times brighter and have more than twice the runtime. I love this AAA mini Maglite's form factor. It's the perfect size, uses readily available AAA batteries, and its ability to focus its beam makes it useful in many situations. The existing Xeon bulb has a great warm yellowish color, but at 9 lumens, it doesn't stand up to modern flashlights. Modern flashlights driven by LEDs have much more brightness and runtime. I want to be able to continue to use this light as it is built for a lifetime of use and has a lot more life left in it. I bought this LED upgrade for $12 on Amazon, and it allows me to upgrade my mini Maglite easily, even though the Maglite comes with a spare bulb in the tail cap. The Xeon bulb can't compete with modern LEDs. This upgrade keeps all the existing functionality like the adjustable beam and the ability to use the light as a candle or a torch. Before we do the upgrade, let's take a quick comparison between my upgraded flashlight and this AAA mini mag. As you'll see, the brightness here is quite underwhelming. Once you see it is much brighter. And if we compare it to this i5R, which has 10 lumens on its low mode, but if you go to its high mode, you'll see it easily outdoes the AAA mini Maglite with the Xeon bulb. To upgrade the light, first remove the flashlight head and take a piece of tissue to pull the existing bulb out. Now it's important to not touch the bulb, as if you get any dirt or oils from your fingers onto the bulb, it can create a hot spot and burn the bulb out prematurely. But if we go ahead and take this bulb out, we will push it in. Again, there's just 2 prongs that this will go into. All right, so if we put the bulb in, now if it doesn't turn on right away, it does have a polarity, so you just have to flip the bulb around. And you'll see that it does now actuate as it did before. So now we can focus still, and it still works as a torch or a candle. And now if we compare it to the already upgraded, you can see that it is definitely equal in brightness to the upgraded AA mini Maglite. And if we compare it to the i5R, now the i5R on its high mode is 300 lumens, so it is going to be much brighter, but you can see on the low mode that the updated mini mag is definitely much brighter now. So this updated bulb should be around 100 lumens. If you'd like to get the upgrade, I've put links in the description to the upgrade for the AAA. I've also included links for the upgrade for a AA and for C and D cell Maglites. If you'd like to know why I only use Energizer Ultimate Lithiums in my Maglites, please watch this video here. Thanks for subscribing by clicking here.